Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to create a PayPal account in Bangladesh. First you'll need to open your browser and go over to paypal.com. Then when you get on the page, you have two buttons at the center of the page or at the top right corner to click on sign up for free or get started. Click on it. Then on the next page you'll need to enter your mobile number to receive a verification code via SMS. After entering the code, you will get to the page where you'll need to set up your profile with your email address, name, and password. Make sure to create a strong password for a better security level. Then add your address, nationality, date of birth, and postal number. Then at the bottom area, you can agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement. And depending on your country, you can choose to try shopping, sending money, or select not now. Then go ahead and link your credit card or debit card in order to verify your account, or of course you could skip this step by pressing not now to do it later. After all of this is done, you can send payment or request money. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.